Okay, so today I'm gonna build this app. It's called Late Pay. It's for myself. It'll be a desktop app. It's kinda simple. Depends how far I get. Initially I was gonna write this in TypeScript, but right now I'm just gonna get it done, so it'll just be regular JavaScript. This is create React app. I just ran that, so it's running. And then I usually pull CSS reset. Oh yeah, I'm gonna start this because it'll help if I have to like fix the video somewhere. Usually what happens is I have to like relive the video and edit it. I'm trying to avoid that because it's time consuming. But yeah, it's mostly like I don't want to dox myself, or I mean, I'm a public person, you know, but also private info, whatever. But yeah, this is so right now like I'm behind on bills and stuff. You can do this with spreadsheet. Why make an app? I don't know. I have this feeling like I gotta get something done. This is rote for me at this point. Just crap it out in an app. But what I want to do is like write it in TypeScript and then go, because it's like a simpler, more tangible app than the music player. Still on my list of things to do, but yeah, so there's like two tabs, bills and cash. Cash is like a date based entry, like on this date you get this much money amount, and then it has like a total, so you can estimate like at this point in time you'll have this much money, that kind of thing. I'm gonna have something on the side, a spreadsheet to mock things out, but yeah. Then there were plans of like drag and drop to sort. Like if your bills and you want to move something up, pay that one first. That's something. But that could be extra. I've done that kind of thing before. The drag drop event, there's like a shadow that you can visibly see, and then where you drop it, it was just like rearranging an array, but array of elements, you know. And then yeah, this will just be an Electron app, which I've built quite a few of those. Like this is an example, which I use a lot actually. But it's just a simple like Electron window and then packager, which I've actually been using this app on Windows, Mac, and Ubuntu, so that's nice. They have like a socket bridge, and then they all keep in sync with each other. Yeah, this app won't have an API. It's all like local storage. Go would probably be like SQLite or something. All right, let's get building. So first thing I do is take the. Actually, let me do something real quick. Why does it say D on it? It's weird. I did have like an orphan branch, but and then what I do is I remove the boilerplate stuff. Oh yeah, you need something. I guess you could call it up. Yeah, so there. Don't need the logo anymore. And then I remove this. Star. regard to like padding and whatnot, the sizes are what you expect. And then everything generally uses Roboto. It's like my go-to font. Let's see what else. Probably will use SAS, so I guess I'll install that. A little bit cleaner, and then I'll add this, which comes from here. Just removes all the default stuff that browsers have. So that's there. There's more crap here I gotta take out. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta restart this. Alright. So now we're at a default thing. And then I use Flex, so time is at 6:44. I hovered over that. I don't know if it showed anything, but okay. I was gonna mention this at the beginning of the video. Today I get like, I don't know, 4 hours of sleep because these people were working next door and they woke me up. Like construction. I'm on my, I drank a NOS, you know, like the 210 calorie ones. I'm on a cup of coffee. It's like 1 tablespoon of coffee. Medium grind or whatever. It's crap standard grocery coffee. Alright, Krita, that's what I was trying to pull up. So when you look at this UI, you can split it up into 2 parts, like a header, a body. And you click the tab, it sets the active tab state, and then the body will load the body based on that tab. That's your basic structure of the page. And then there's like subcomponents if you want to go that far. But I'll probably just do like header, body, and then the bodies, because they're kind of complicated, they'll be separate components. I'm going to be listening to music, so I verified that the microphone doesn't pick it up. I got headphones in. So I'm just going to jam out and get this. Let's see. Let's get going. Oh crap. I'm probably gonna need icons too. I'll have that ready just in case. Windows. Yeah, so I get my icons from here, SVGs, and then bring them in. So like this check mark or whatever, if I end up using that. Okay, let's get to it. Clearing my mind, just gonna build this out. Another Electron app. I have so many now, like this is Electron, that's Electron, that's Electron, that's Electron. And then I have other ones I unpinned. Only like stop if I have to explain something, but yeah, otherwise it's just follow along. Probably span this a little bit more. More room. Okay. I can kind of see here it's a lot of boilerplate stuff. There's like shorthand filler ways, and it's just linking like states. Yeah, that's rote. Like I've made a lot of these before, so I could just crap it out. This error is odd here. Active tab should be a string. Pass it down here. Body gets it from props. Yeah, that's whack. Is it triple equals? Is it like a single quote, double quote deal? I'll just do this. That looks wrong. That doesn't look right. I just do this. Alright, whatever. And if you look at the source, there's the body bills. And so this part right here, flex 1 means this thing grows vertically. Of course it still has no dimensions, but you can see that that's up there now because the bottom like pushed it out. God, my Z key isn't working. Z! Poured water on it one day. Like dried off. There. It's like my favorite keyword. I had it for like 4 years or something. Alright, so there. That white border covers this one and it pulls it downwards by the same thickness as this border. This is also what the SAS is for, these pound. It's the same as like this, like that, it's just shorter. Yeah, and then here you can add the state. Let me clean this up a little bit. State handler, like So that will change the state that's handled in app. And it'll switch the tabs and switch the content. It all propagates downwards. That's where like context and whatever comes in, but I don't need it. Or Redux, oh my god. What are these errors? Nothing, okay. Yeah, so this is the like app window, so that's not like part of the design. We probably put more space on here. It's like, I don't know if it's horizontal vertical or vertical horizontal. Oh, yep, I should get them backwards. Yeah, so that's wider. Okay. Do a quick save. Oh, is it gonna fail? No. Alright. Oh, I forgot, mine, man. What time is it? 37:05. I'm using local storage to store the info, so there will be like an accessor, stringify parser part. So this right here runs when the component renders. It runs once. There's no dependency here in this bracket. So this will access the local storage on first load, populate the state, and then the component will pick it up and render the bills, or show like a default message if there aren't any. There's something else about design, like you can imagine like a bill here, and like date, the name of the bill, amount. I used the drawing pen to draw this stuff. So, but you need like a input interface, so that's a bit long. It'll be like a form that goes in here. And I'm not using semantic HTML, I'm not using a literal form. That's for the, name, amount, useState, and then add button X to cancel. The thing I was thinking about though is like I could put a button here. That's probably doesn't make sense. Like these two tabs can share this button. That's like an anti-pattern, probably doesn't make sense. Because, you know, when you first render, there'll be like a message, please enter a bill or whatever, here's a button, click it, shows that. But then after you have rows, where is that button? Where does it go? Because if you put it at the bottom, it just keeps like sliding downwards. You could also like pin it here, and this stuff overflows underneath like a scroll bar. Or you could have it like stuck up here under the tabs, but this is like a wasted area collision. So I think I'll do this where it'll just be down here. Yeah, that's easier. You could have something simple too, like a plus sign up here. But then the bill will still run into it. Yeah. You can also have like a dedicated bar, like searching or something. That's another option. Say like a bar and then a button. This will say search or add if the thing is filled in. Because this will be a type search. Anyway, conundrums, right? Or questions. I get it done because actually I'm going to use this thing. I'm gonna say this is like a anti-pattern that I do. Like buttons don't normally have the pointer on them. I don't know why, but I always put it on there. is questionable right here. Like, it's hard to tell that these are buttons without some kind of border around them or background. I don't know. Designer's choice right there. So what I'm doing here is nasty. Like I'm passing references to stuff through components. Like here it's globally available because it's inside here. But then this function can't access the function in here. So I'm like passing it through and it's carrying it around. Like set form data is here. I pass it into here. This guy passes it to here. Yeah, that's bad. I mean, I'm doing it because I'm making this thing without a plan. I'm just going at it to get it done. But that's one of those things you like architect or refactor. If you don't have like a piece of crap dependencies or unintended effects, side effects. So here to change this, it would break other stuff. So like that's not great. So what's nice with React is like all this stuff is just for bills, right? You go to cache, that's a separate file, like it's blank. None of that stuff is in it. So that's a good part about components. Isolation, you know. I gotta take a quick break. My cat is sitting on the mouse, or mic. Okay, so we've got a way to store the bills, you have to render it, and then also a way to remove them. And then there's drag and drop, which I'm not sure if I will do. Depends how like complicated it is. I've implemented it before, but I'm trying to like not make a giant video. It's already an hour in. This is something odd to this double event. It's because of this strict mode. take that out. It's once, add it twice. I don't know, it's weird. I noticed that one time. Throws me out because I'm like, what is going on? But yeah, I just was double checking that this doesn't cause like a non-ending loop, but it's one time thing. Like this state change once, it's off, run this. It doesn't like keep going. So let me just do this again. It's to self-refresh when it closes the form. So say card 1, 25, 15, save, re-updates the bill so it renders. Yeah, we're good. So now I gotta style this stuff. Oh yeah, this underscore pattern thing is BEM, B-E-M. Somebody picked up a long time ago, like 2018, first dev job, front end job. I don't like use it 100% correct because you know this stuff gets nasty. It's supposed to be like major component, subcomponent, modifier or something, but block is to make it scrollable. Flex might do it, I don't know offhand, but yeah, I usually use block for scrollable stuff. So here, if you were to make this like editable, you could have it where clicking on an element replaces it with an input. You can also like reopen the form, the modal. That's an easier way to edit. But it's also like 3 pieces of data, so you can also just re-enter it. In the interest of getting something functional, I will just make it deletable but not editable. I fix this. So this is one of those things where I'm not sure if filter returns an array or just modifies it, and you still save the old one. Let's try it this way. It's not changing. It's odd. Alright, let's step through it. What is it doing? It is accessible. Oh yeah, my bad. I gotta filter out. Okay, it was fine. You want to filter out the bill that does not have this name. Those ones you keep. Okay. All right. There. Persist. Okay. So we got that one with the delete. That's good enough for the bills. We'll start on cache. Cache is similar. Damn. Cache is a total though. Similar. That's what could be up here, the total. But I don't know if that's intuitive, you know, like seeing it up there. You'd have a similar layout. Although the cache one, the focus is when it's coming. No, it's the same though. I mean, arguably you can duplicate this. Just unfortunate everything is named bills. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Case sensitivity is a problem though. Okay, there we go. Place those with cache, bills, cache. Body cache, body bills. This is not good. What you'd want to do is have reusable code, or the name, it doesn't matter. It's like a generic element name or something. But again, foresight, right? Is there a capital V? No. Okay, and then those are hard coded. singular bill cache bill cache. Interesting. Some like double border going on here. Oh wait, this one should say cache, which we have, and this one should say cache. App body cache. Cache container. Oh crap, this is a problem right here. We change that to row. There. Add cache. Yeah, that makes sense. Like say pay. I'm poor. 17. Save. Yeah. Which now I'm like thinking it's better to see them side by side than split. Oh, that sucks. The easiest way to do that is to make a third tab with a new view, because trying to like split this and rework it into separate states, nah. Oh, and then there's that, so there's a data separation. Alright, fine. Then tabs, you want when this is home. And then the body is triple state now. You just do exit tab. Throw an error because it doesn't exist. And then we'll build it. steal the base here. Keep this. Turn to shell. As I write this, I've got a freaking robocall from a debt collector. Missed call. I don't want to default because I went through that stuff in the past. It sucks. We don't need this. Call this body home. So right now I'm just juggling like which payment to make. It's all my own doing. I had a good job and then I threw it away. Do body home here. Import. Which is only a problem if you don't have a plan. If you don't have savings or another job lined up. Yeah, we got that. Okay, so home, yeah, it doesn't do anything. It's gonna pull the data from both of these and display them side by side. This is duplicate code, but I could pull it out in some kind of utility and share them. Fine. It's my money, and I need it now. Get cash. Oh no, the other one I was thinking about, it's like, we sell mattresses for less. A lot less. Some stupid ads. It was funny, I was listening to Syntax one time, and they're like near the New York area. I used to live there. The freaking Selena bar. Yeah. Ah, stupid. The other ones are funny, like 444 44 888. Her in a car, car. Alright, let's go. Body home. So you should be able to do import. Where's the util file? Storage. Get bills, get cash from like that, I think. That's wrong. Oh yeah. Get bills. Yeah, so that's good, and then you'll have to update this to import the same. Call it 888. Local paid cash JS. Ah, damn. This string is here again, though. That sucks. I can keep that, I guess. Oh, cool, that one has it. Just do a get bills. Get bills. These should still work. And then, yeah. Let me draw a quick design for this one. So we've got alright, so this is the most basic interface I can think of. Literally split them in half. I have like a line there. Bills on the left, cash on the right, total, so you can see. I mean, this one, oh my god, you have no idea. Like, I have like 11 cards, right? Each one wants like $400 because they're late. Some are like 800, so yeah, I am effed, man. I was almost gonna get evicted out of my apartment if I missed it by a couple days. Like, damn. Throw a late fee on there too. It's like, yeah, like 13% on top of the actual due. It was over 1,000. Like, oh, yeah, I'm failing, man. Failing at life. Anyway, that's what this is for. Yeah, I could argue it's a waste of time to build this. Just use a spreadsheet. I don't know. I got these, like, I want to feel like I achieved something. But this is all rote, you know, like I already know this. I'm not doing anything useful. In freelancing, it's like, that's what I've been doing the last 3 days, just applying, talking, interviewing. Only landed one and got paid for one. It was just $100. If I work overtime, it's like, what is it, $27 an hour, so 10 hours, 270, and then tax, like 30% of it or something. Yeah, it's bad. I used to get paid $50 an hour, you know, like, that's why I'm in so much debt, because all that money's gone, and I'm poor again. Anyway, there's the update of Vanta Wing. I'm dying. That's the Korn song I'm listening to right now. Somebody, someone. This is a little nitpick right here. Like, I don't know why, like, I'm compelled to separate things. Now you'd think, alright, they're all imports, right? Put them together. But they're, like, different. One is importing a file, one is importing a function. I don't know. Yeah. There's other rules too, like, this is an assignment. This is a function call. Are they together? I say yes, because they're single lines. But then this is a block, so it's alone. It's dumb. I'll just group them together though. This song is so apt. Get somebody up. It's like, Bill Gates, save me from my own dumbass self. I'm the guy that was like a dishwasher, gets a software engineering job, 6 figures, and then throws it away. He doesn't, yeah. My own fault. I'm also too, like, nice, because I had all these, like, family members I would give out money to. Like, $2,000 a month I was giving them. For years, too, man. It's like, now I'm broke. About to be homeless. Cover your ass. That's what they say. CYA. See, this would be OP is if you could just re-render those halves, like this part right here and here. But I can't because there's too much, like, it's not that I can't. If I take this rendering function, well, this part right here. So let's say, yeah, that could be exported. Because the only dependency it needs is the array of bills, which is a basic string. I could try it, hold on, let me see. So the idea is I don't know if this is gonna work, I'm just trying this. Oh yeah, just make it this. Oh, it's gonna be like, you need a function. Then make it a fragment like this. No way that works. It does. Okay. Alright, yeah, so with that in mind, you can bring that. Oh my god, but the styles! They're not here. Yeah. So you'd say import rendereds from I think that'll work. What the hell is that? Card? Oh yeah, that's right. And it's styled? I'm surprised. I wonder if the JS is like joined together. That's interesting. Why does it work? Well, whatever. I mean, that's good here. So yeah, I'll do the same for cache. So this right here is one of those things where you can like, you can fix that. That's double the padding, right? You can make it just one. And how you do it? Actually, maybe this will work. No. Man. I had to deal with this before. I don't know, that's close enough, but you can subtract stuff like with calc and shift it with margin. You can get that like exactly the same around, even if it's like ×2, half. But that's good, it doesn't matter for me, it's fine. Yeah, so real quick I want to touch on styling, you know. I used to use site subtle patterns a lot, but it's hard because you really gotta pick like a good, like I just went with something, okay, I forgot top tail, bottom. Verify you're human. Where did that go? Tile. T-I-L-E. Where did it go? Okay, let me see it. Where are we at? 206.40. All right. So I take this flower background here. Oh, that's actually cool. I like that. And you go to your topmost item, like index. Say background image URL, assets, images, that background size. I don't know, what was it? It's probably like 400 or something. Yeah, 400. Yeah, so, oh my god, if you look at that, it looks like they're moving. Oh, my eyes! But yeah, so you got that, and then you're like, here. You can fill that in. I mean, you'd fill in the tab. Probably the active one. Yeah, so like that, and then yeah. Oh, and then you want it to look like glassy. You're like opacity 7 or something, and then you get the glassy look. So, I mean, yeah, this styling is not bad. It's just you have to be like a. Oh, and this is this has to be like above it and have its own background, like yeah, like this one. Oh, it's not here. Surprising. Oh, I think it's because it's inherited like globally. Could put it here. And then those would have their own styles. Oh, crap. Well, you can isolate it using before, like this, relative before yeah. Well, anyway, you put just failing. Yeah, okay. Let's go back. We gotta undo all that stuff now. But then save! Alright. I don't need that right now. Okay, so yeah, I forgot the cache and whatnot headers. Let's show that again real quick. You need the loop over all those rows and total them down here. Add this part. Then we'll get to the Electron wrapper part. Oh man, this is where you can do a fancy, like a reduce or something to some. Oh, I'm not sure if I can do it. I think I'll just do a function. Weak. That'll work. It's just not valid reaction. Damn. Alright. I'm sorry. I'm a noob. I know you can probably do it with a reducer, but I don't have that on lock. Or, in my mind, where do we need to go? What? Oh yeah, I gotta do a mount. My bad. Lo siento. Alright. Oh yeah, then we need $sign in front. Ah, it's actually a float. Oh, look at this. You can just do a friggin' function. Get some. That's your reducer function right there. Get some cash. Get it? I don't, because I don't have any. I'm poor. Alright, there we go. 150, 125 looks right. Oh, and then let's just test overflow real quick. Alright, so this is cheating, but I know how tall these are, like that's 32. This is 24, so you can set a max height of, what was it? 24, 32, 54. That's a magic number, so it's not a good approach. Maybe this will work. Crap. App, body, home, Bill Rose. Oh, I gotta take these styles out. Yeah. Yeah, it's not working. Well, let's just go with this. Still not working. Yeah. Auto is right. Right, because it doesn't know what 100% means. I don't want to use JavaScript to set that. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I've got a number. So these are, we got 8 plus 52, 60, 114. And it's still too tall, so increase it. That was terrible. Forgive me. 164, there we go. But where is... that needs a little bit of a padding. I think I gotta subtract it more. Oh my. Let's hit 10. No, let me just click on this. 8 would be 12. 72. That's not great. That's a magic number. Shame. But it also gets the job done. So there you go. What do we need? We need gaps. This technically is also bound under cache, which isn't correct, but look at this, I'm making it worse. Body cache row. Alright, so if you add one more there, yeah, we're under right. Okay, so there's this app, and all these things should still work. Yeah, okay. Your refresher will go back to 1. So those are the individual views, this view. So now we can get to the Electron part. So you want to build this app. So it's a SPA static app, and then refer here with the package JSON. We'll install the dependencies. Electron. We want the packager too. And this is a key piece right here, main.js. Put that at the root. Change the details. Is there a manifest? Let me check. Might be. No. Let's see. You just change this stuff, which I don't have an icon. I think there's a title somewhere. Anyway, that. Oh yeah, you gotta make sure this points to the right area. App build index. Oh god, what did I just push? Alright. Let's see, it should be able to run package win. What? I guess I have to add those myself. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy this. Let's see. Wow, that's already 30. At least that one hasn't changed. Call this late pay. Place all those strings. I think this one I have. Oh yeah. I can also run it straight up without doing the package first, like Electron right here. I'll do that. Of course, when it runs, this context is different, so the local storage will be blank. Yeah, so when you run that, it produces release builds. And since I didn't add an icon, it just uses that. Oh crap, that's right. There's another piece I have to do. In here, in manifest, where is it? You have to add this like start URL thing. I forgot about that. Public. I know it has it. Standalone. Crap, where is it? Oh, I think it's this guy. Let's see. Browser list. The rebuild. Repackage. Yeah, if you're deploying a React app to like subdirectory, that causes problems too. You gotta specify the path. Oh, why did I package? I could have just ran it. Ah! That reminds me of an ad from Jack FM. I'll see a call coming on my phone. It's like, you think nobody cares about you? Try not paying your bills. It's like, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so there's the app. Let's just add stuff, make sure it works. Bill, card 150. Pick a date, 15, save. Cash. Pay, check. 125. 17, save. View them both. I didn't check if delete works from here. Oh, damn, there's an error. What does it say? Undefined of split. Really? Format date. Alright, let me debug that real quick over here. But yeah, there you see, it's pretty straightforward to make an Electron app. It's complaining about split. Let me delete it from here. Set form data. The bill, get bills. I wonder if it's like a missing dependency thing. No, this is all raw. This is just, oh yeah, that's just storage. Set form data is not a function. Why? That only appears in well, it appears in both of them. probably, yeah. Oh man, it has 3 dependencies, damn. So to pass in new bill. I don't like that. Oh yeah, we should make this like optional. Oh crap. How do I do this? You still need set form data though, which oh. That is terrible. Okay, yeah, the easiest way to fix this is to not allow deletion from here. So we can just in render bills specify view like that. And then pass true here. That one is empty. That's it. The deletion worked, but it's trying to render something that doesn't exist. Why? Audio bill is 35, format 8. Bills shouldn't have a length though. Oh, that's bad. Is an array of empty array. I think that's the get bills function. Yeah, and then set bills. Yeah, I do still have to modify this. This is bad. TypeScript, bro. I know what the problem is. It's those two different set build calls, like this one. Yeah, it's because I combined the functionality. Ugh. Okay, so that will only add this was supposed to just do this. Oh man, okay, I'll fix it. This parentheses thing means you don't have to have the return. Okay, so Here it's setting the array that comes from here. But then it doesn't have a way to update well, it's setting the state. That should cause a re-render. Okay, so yeah. Render bills. There are no bills. Actually, no. Let me see. No. If you look at the storage, returns an array. Oh, yeah. That's weird. I would have thought it would set it empty. You are failing, Doctor. Oh. I also think I'm debugging the wrong thing. Let me see. Body home. Bills. It returns an array. Interesting. That's not right. Late pay. Oh, damn. They pay bills, yes. Oh, that was bad. Remove item. Yeah. Alright, well. That was still problematic. I separated them. I think this is fine as is. And then the issue is when you add say add bill form data. And then it has to call set bills. Add bill. Can this call set bills? Because if so, then we can bind an event here. Bills, when this changes, call clear form. Not clearing. Save, but it did not clear. Add bill. That's interesting. It's no error. So the issue is I can put it here, but then it's not guaranteed to be synchronous. Also, the parameters are missing. Why doesn't it change, man? Oh, because it has no... It's not this one. No, they're the same name. So this definitely has to come from here. This has to go away. What parameters does it need now? Set form up. Set form up. Didn't style that. Come on. Well, sorry about that. Bad distraction. I don't even know if anybody's gonna watch this, but whatever. Body bill. Where is it? Here. Gotta put that in the other one. I think this one has the problem of overflow. Doesn't have a way to scroll. It's so weird, it like removes it. Oh, it does overflow. Oh, that's good. Alright. Oh, and that was a block container. Okay. This isn't supposed to be there. I think I still have to fix the cache side too. Actually, yeah, view only true. editable there. True. False, yeah. Body. Where's bills? Or no, cache. I feel like this one has the problem too, yeah. Okay. What happened? Ah, committed release. Yeah. No, not ENB. Files, folders. Put ENB, put release builds, node modules. All right. Yeah. So problem here is the same. Set cache should not change anything else. Separate function. Form. Then and then I have to fix this. So I saved the wrong thing. I'll add one, hard one, 50, 15, save, paycheck. Ah, crap, doesn't have a freaking. Okay, so you got those, you can't delete them from here. It's just viewing them. Add one more. Yeah, I donate plasma for extra money. I think they upped it, the second one, the first one's 45. Didn't work. Oh! Does this work? It does. What the heck? What else did I change? Change this. Oh crap. Oh my bad. Set cache, get cache. I think that's it. That's A. Yeah, okay, that's all there. Let's delete 1, 2, it's fine, delete them all. Okay. And then let me get rid of any console logs. It's cheating to open DevTools in Electron because users wouldn't do that normally. So if you have a data problem like that and it can't be fixed with code, that's bad. Okay, let's check it real quick. Release builds, slate pay. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is cheating, but I'm resetting it. Yeah, center back at a blank state. So yeah, there. Electron app with reactjs.